Hello students, welcome you all to the video lecture on chapter number 9 mensuration exercise 9.2 question number 2. The question is a suitcase with measures 80 centimeter, 48 centimeter and 24 centimeter is to be covered with tarpaulin cloth. How many meters of tarpaulin of width 96 centimeter is required to cover 100 such suitcases? So actually suitcases when we consider it will be of cuboid shape, right? So for the cuboid we have three different measures. One is length which is 80 centimeter here, breadth is 48 centimeter and then height is 24 centimeter which is given. And what they are saying, 100 such suitcases are there. So all these 100 suitcases we have to first measure the area and then we have to determine how many meters of tarpaulin cloth of width 96 centimeter has to be covered over the suitcase, right? So actually it is of cuboid shape and we are saying that it has to be covered with a tarpaulin cloth. So meaning that outer side only we are covering with the cloth, not inside. Since it is outer side, we have to consider the total surface area. Okay. Why? Because we have how many sides? Totally 6 sides of the cuboid. All the 6 sides of cuboid has to be covered with the tarpaulin cloth. So totally we have 100 such suitcases. So 100 such suitcases, everything we have to keep adjacently and then overall 100 suitcases has to be covered with the tarpaulin cloth. So what you can consider? So for example, if you have a one mobile, right, and if you accumulate 100 such mobile in a adjacent manner and then everything has to be packed in a gift wrapper, okay, like that you have to assume, okay. So similarly here the suitcase, everything we are arranging in a adjacent manner and then over that we are going to cover with the tarpaulin cloth, okay. So we have to consider here the total surface area, not the volume. Volume means the inside occupied one we have to consider. Here only the outside surface, so it is total surface area. So that we have to consider first. Then for one suitcase we have to find out the total surface area. Then we have to find out for 100 such suitcases. Just multiply by 100 and find out the area of 100 such suitcases. Then we have to cover that by using the tarpaulin cloth. For that width is given, we have to find out the length. This is what we are going to do in this problem, okay. So first let us find out the total surface area of one suitcase. Total surface area of one suitcase. So what is the measurement? It is 2 into length into breadth plus breadth into height plus height into length for the cuboid, because it is the total surface area of a cuboid formula. Then which is nothing but 2 into, what is length here? It is 80 centimeter. 80 into 48 is breadth and then breadth is 48 into height is 24 plus height is 24 into length is 80. So just substitute your values and then simplify the terms. So multiply these values. So 48 into 80. So 8 8s are 64 and then 6 you have, 8 4s are 32, 32 plus 6 it is 38, 38 and then you have end, you have 1 0. So it is nothing but 3840 first value and then similarly find out the next value. It is 48 into 24. So 48 into 24, 8 4s are 32, 3, 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 3 it is 19, 8 2s are 16 and then 1, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 1 it is 9. Then 2, add the values 15, 1. So 9 plus 1 plus 1 it is 11. So it is 1152. Second value it is 1152. And then 24 into 8. 8 4s are 32 and then you have 3 carry. 8 2s are 16. 16 plus 3 it is what? 19. and then end you have 0, just put the 0 as it is. Add all the 3 values. So 3840 and then 1152 and then 1920. Just add all the values, it is 2 and then 11 here and then 1, 9 plus 1 10, 10 plus 9 it is 19 and then 3 plus 3 it is 6. So it is 2 into, just simplify the values first whatever it is there in the bracket. So it is 6912. Okay, just multiply this value, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 9 2s are 18 and then 1 carry, 2 6 are 12, 12 plus 1 it is 13. So total surface area of one suitcase it is 13,824 and then here length and breadth are measured in centimeters. So centimeter into centimeter it is centimeter square. Okay, total surface area of one suitcase it is 13,824 centimeter square. So next what we have to determine, total surface area of 100 suitcase, So what we have to do, just multiply with 100. So 13,824 into 100. So it is nothing but 13824 and the end you have to add 2 zeros. Okay, so this much area you have. Okay. So 13,82,400 centimeter square. And then what is the next question? How many meters of tarpaulin cloth of width 96 centimeter is required to cover 100 such suitcases? Okay, so actually how we have to view this? So we need to consider the tarpaulin cloth. So tarpaulin cloth is in rectangle format. Okay, for that the width is given. Width is nothing but breadth value, 96 centimeter is given. We need to find out the length. Okay, and then this tarpaulin cloth has to cover 100 such suitcases, right? So one suitcases, let us consider this as one suitcase. Okay, like this 100 such suitcases are placed adjacently like this. Okay, so like this 100 suitcases are placed adjacently. All these suitcases has to be covered by the tarpaulin cloth. So for the tarpaulin cloth they have given width. Okay, we need to find out the length, that is the question. So tarpaulin cloth width is given, length we need to determine. And again they are asking to find out how many meters of tarpaulin cloth. So here everything it is in centimeter. Finally we have to convert the centimeter into meters. Why? Because the measurement they are asking in meters. So 100 suitcases area is determined. This area has to be covered with the tarpaulin cloth, meaning that the area of 100 suitcases will be equal to area of tarpaulin cloth. And the area of tarpaulin cloth is given by which formula? Since it is a rectangle, it is given by length into breadth. So in that way we are going to find out what is the length. So I can say that area of tarpaulin cloth it is equal to area of 100 suitcase. Why? Because it is going to cover the 100 suitcase, so it should be equal. So area of 100 tarpaulin cloth is given by length into width formula, length into breadth or length into width. Area of 100 suitcase already we have determined, it is 13,82,400 centimeter square. Okay, so now what is the length? Length we have to determine. What is the width? Width it is 96 centimeter. So 13,82,400. So find out the length. It is given by, so right hand side value you have to keep as it is, divide by 96. Since it is in the numerator, when it goes to the right hand side it comes to the denominator. So since the sum of the number is divisible by 3, we can easily divide by 3. So 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. We can apply the 3 tables here. 4 3s are 12, balance is 1, it will become 18, 6 3s are 18, and then 2 will not go, so it is 0. 24 means 8 3s are 24, and then end we have 00, just write as it is, and then we can apply the two tables. 16 2s are 32, and then here it is 2 3 0, 4 2s are 8, and then 00 you have as it is. Again we can apply two tables. 8 2s are 16, and then cancel out this. 2 1s are 2, 2 1s are 2, balance is 1, it will become 10. 5 2s are 10, and then for 4 it is 2 2s are 4, and you have 00. So again let us apply the 4 table here. 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, again balance is 3, it will become 35, and then 8 4s are 32, okay, balance is 3, it will become again 32, 8 4s are 32, and then end you have 00. Now we can apply two tables. 2 1s are 2, again 2 1s are 2, 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8, and then 00 you have. So totally the value it is 14,400. So the width is measured in centimeter and the area of 100 suitcase is measured in centimeter square. So definitely length it will be of centimeter. Why? Because centimeter into centimeter only, centimeter square. So it is 14,400 centimeter. This is the length. But this length it should be of meters. In the question they have asked in meters. So we know that 1 centimeter it is equal to 1 by 100 meter. So this we have to divide by 100. So length in meter it is equal to 14400 divided by 100. So 0 get cancelled. So it is 144 meter. So what they are asking, how many meters of tarpaulin of width 96 centimeter is required. So required meter is 144 meter. Okay. So the final answer is 144 meter. So required meters of tarpaulin cloth, required meters of tarpaulin cloth of 96 centimeter is 144 meter. Okay, so this is the final answer. Thank you. Thanks for watching.